Alright guys, we're going to do the cold start here on the 911. So it looks like we do have a newish alternator. I don't have any paperwork or anything. It's just by the appearance, I would say it's definitely been replaced at some point recently. I did want to talk briefly about the tires. So when I got the car, it had the Extreme Contact Sports on it. Okay, and they're all tread was good. They're only a year or two old. This one, the passenger rear, had a nail that was too close to the sidewall. So unfortunately, that model of tire, the Extreme Contact Sport, has been discontinued. So the best I could do to match it was an Extreme Contact Sport 02. So I know we all like to have matching tires. I looked everywhere. I even tried to find like a new old stock to match, you know, like maybe one that Tire Rack had kicking around that maybe was like a year or two old, but it was still new. I looked, it just didn't exist. So they're all Continentals, they're all the same tread, they're all the Sport Contact, except this one is a 02, which is the newer version of the tires on the car. All right, we're gonna go for the cruise, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.